are stem cells. When we were kids, our grade school teachers taught us that salamanders and starfish can regenerate, but people can't, right? So that chapter is now being torn out of the playbook and thrown away. The new chapter says, yeah, humans can regenerate. We do regenerate from the inside out slowly, but there are foods that can speed that up and enhance it.
Angela's journey toward better health began with a chance encounter with Dr. William Lee's groundbreaking work. Dr. Lee, renowned for his pioneering research on food as medicine, has transformed countless lives through his wisdom about the healing properties of everyday foods. His extensive studies on stem cell regeneration have particularly revolutionized how we approach circulation issues and chronic pain. Angela, at 69, discovered that the secret to boosting her leg circulation and ending her persistent pain lay not in expensive medications or invasive procedures, but in the stem cell regenerating foods Dr. Lee champions. This remarkable story of transformation showcases how ancient wisdom merged with modern nutritional science can create life-changing results. If you're struggling with similar issues or simply want to optimize your health, keep watching to discover these powerful insights. And if you find value in this information, please like this video, leave a comment sharing your thoughts, subscribe to our channel for more health wisdom, and share with friends or family who might benefit from this knowledge. Together, we're building a community dedicated to natural healing and vibrant living. Angela had been suffering from poor circulation and chronic leg pain for nearly a decade. At 69, she had started to believe this was simply her new normal, an inevitable consequence of aging that she would have to endure. The discomfort limited her daily activities, prevented her from enjoying walks with her grandchildren, and disrupted her sleep nearly every night. She had tried numerous over-the-counter medications, compression stockings, and even considered surgical interventions, but nothing provided lasting relief. Everything changed when Angela's daughter gifted her Dr. William Lee's book about the healing power of food. The concept that common foods could actually stimulate her body's natural regenerative processes fascinated her. Dr. Lee's research revealed that certain foods contain bioactive compounds that can activate stem cells, the body's internal repair system. These adult stem cells already exist within your body and, when properly nourished, can help regenerate damaged tissues and improve circulation. Angela was particularly intrigued by Dr. Lee's explanation of how poor circulation occurs. When blood vessels become damaged or constricted, oxygen-rich blood struggles to reach extremities like your legs. This leads to pain, swelling, and that characteristic heavy feeling many people experience. The conventional approach typically focuses on symptom management rather than addressing the underlying cause. But Dr. Lee's approach was different. He advocated for foods that would help your body repair and grow new blood vessels, a process called angiogenesis. With nothing to lose, Angela decided to incorporate these stem cell activating foods into her daily diet. She started with dark berries like blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries, which contain anthocyanins that support blood vessel health and improve circulation. These powerful compounds help reduce inflammation in your blood vessels and promote better circulation throughout your body, aiding in overall vitality. Angela would blend these berries into her morning smoothie or enjoy them as a mid-afternoon snack when her energy typically dipped, always feeling refreshed and energized afterward. Next, Angela added green tea to her routine, replacing her usual coffee. The catechins in green tea have been shown to support stem cell function and improve blood flow, enhancing overall health. She noticed that drinking 3 cups daily not only improved her circulation, but also gave her a clean, steady energy that didn't crash like her previous caffeine habit. It became her new afternoon ritual, calming her mind and boosting her energy. Have you ever noticed how certain beverages make you feel more balanced than others? Your body often provides these subtle clues about what it needs for optimal health. Turmeric became another staple in Angela's kitchen. This golden spice contains curcumin, which Dr. Lee's research showed could help mobilize stem cells from bone marrow to repair tissues. Angela would add a teaspoon to her soups and stews, along with black pepper, to enhance absorption. The warming sensation she felt after consuming turmeric-infused dishes seemed to radiate through her legs, temporarily easing discomfort even before the long-term benefits took effect, helping her feel more active and comfortable each day. It soon became an essential part of her weekly menu. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines were next on Angela's list. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these fish support healthy blood flow, reduce inflammation, and protect blood vessels from damage. Angela hadn't been a big fish eater before, but she discovered that properly prepared fish could be both nutritious and delicious. She would bake salmon with lemon and herbs twice weekly, noticing that her legs felt less painful on the days following these meals. The consistent inclusion of fatty fish improved her energy levels and overall joint health, making her feel more rejuvenated. Extra virgin olive oil replaced all other cooking oils in Angela's kitchen. The oleocanthal high-quality olive oil acts similarly to anti-inflammatory medications without the side effects, offering natural healing. Angela drizzled it over her salads and vegetables, knowing that this simple change was helping repair her blood vessels from the inside out. She even swapped out butter for olive oil in most recipes, seeing a notable improvement in her circulation. Have you considered how your choice of cooking oil might be affecting your circulation, energy, and overall health? Nuts and seeds became Angela's go-to snacks. Walnuts, almonds, and flax seeds are packed with arginine, an amino acid that helps your body produce nitric oxide, a molecule that signals your blood vessels to relax and expand. This expansion allows more blood to flow freely through your legs, reducing pain and swelling while increasing energy levels. Angela would keep small containers of mixed nuts in her purse, car, and kitchen for easy access. These snacks were not only convenient, but also nourishing, providing her with lasting energy throughout the day. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula provided nitrates that convert to nitric oxide in your body, improving blood flow. Angela incorporated these into at least 2 meals daily, either in salads or sautéed as sides. The high vitamin K content in these greens also supported her vascular health, strengthening blood vessel walls. Within weeks, she noticed that the constant heaviness in her legs was beginning to subside, particularly after meals rich in these foods. She also felt an overall sense of lightness and vitality, which made her look forward to every meal. Citrus fruits joined Angela's diet for their hesperidin content, another compound Dr. Lee highlighted for its ability to strengthen capillaries and improve blood flow. Angela would start her day with half a grapefruit or orange, enjoying the refreshing taste while knowing she was nurturing her circulation. The vitamin C in these fruits also supported collagen production, helping to strengthen her blood vessel walls and keep them elastic. Over time, she noticed her legs felt more energized and less swollen, thanks to the consistent addition of citrus to her routine. Beets became a surprising favorite for Angela. Their high nitrate content converts to nitric oxide, significantly improving blood flow and circulation. She would roast them with a drizzle of olive oil or add them to smoothies. Although skeptical at first about their earthy flavor, she soon came to appreciate their natural sweetness and the noticeable improvement in her leg comfort after consuming them regularly. They helped support her circulation, and she found that beets also gave her a natural energy boost that kept her going throughout the day. After 3 months of consistently incorporating these foods, Angela experienced remarkable changes. The persistent ache that had troubled her for years began to diminish. She could stand for longer periods without discomfort, and the nighttime cramping that often woke her had all but disappeared. Her ankles, which used to swell by day's end, now remained their normal size. Had you ever considered that such significant improvements could come from simple dietary changes? Angela's energy levels increased as her circulation improved. She resumed her daily walks, starting with just 10 minutes and gradually building to 30 minutes without pain. She could once again keep up with her grandchildren at the park, a joy she had missed for years. Her skin took on a healthier glow as better circulation delivered more nutrients and oxygen to her tissues. What impressed Angela most was how this approach addressed the root cause of her problems, rather than merely masking symptoms. By feeding her body the specific nutrients it needed to activate stem cells and repair damaged blood vessels, she was supporting her natural healing mechanisms. The foods weren't just treating her symptoms, they were helping her body heal itself from within. Dr. Lee's research suggests that these foods work synergistically, meaning their combined effect is greater than what any single food could accomplish alone. This explains why Angela's comprehensive approach yielded such remarkable results. She wasn't just temporarily dilating her blood vessels, she was supporting their repair and renewal through stem cell activation and reduced inflammation. Angela's friends noticed the change in her mobility and energy, often commenting on how she seemed younger and more vibrant. When they asked about her secret, she eagerly shared Dr. Lee's wisdom about stem cell regenerating foods. Several friends adopted similar changes and reported improvements in their own health issues. The ripple effect of Angela's transformation extended beyond her personal experience. The key to Angela's success was consistency. These weren't temporary changes but a sustainable shift in her eating patterns. She discovered that her taste preferences actually adapted over time. Foods she once considered bland now tasted flavorful as her palate adjusted to fewer processed foods. Have you noticed how your taste preferences can evolve when you give them the chance? Now, Angela views food differently, not just as fuel or pleasure, but as powerful medicine that can direct her body's healing processes. She keeps a food journal, noting how specific meals affect her symptoms, helping her identify which foods provide the most benefit for her unique body. This personalized approach has allowed her to refine her diet for optimal results. If you're inspired by Angela's story, why not start incorporating some of these stem cell regenerating foods into your own diet? Remember, healing is a gradual process. Small, consistent changes often yield better results than dramatic overnight overhauls. Begin with 1 or 2 foods that appeal to you most and observe how your body responds. Angela's journey with Dr. Lee's wisdom reminds us that age doesn't have to mean accepting pain and limitation. Your body possesses remarkable regenerative capacity when given the proper nutritional support. The foods on your plate today can become the foundation for your improved mobility tomorrow. Wouldn't you like to discover what's possible for your own health? If you found value in Angela's story, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing health insights. Share your thoughts in the comments below, perhaps about which foods you're excited to try or questions you have about incorporating them into your diet. And if you know someone struggling with circulation issues or chronic pain, share this video with them. Together, we're building a community dedicated to natural healing approaches and supporting each other's health journeys. Remember, your feedback helps us create content that serves your needs and spreads this important knowledge to those who need it most.